Hey, what's happening, everyone? JP here from Crypto Hobby. Just had to make a quick video today. I've been meaning to do this on the Reddcoin Wallet Sync and Staking overview that I did. It looks like I did that today's the 14th of January. I did it on the 4th, so it's been 10 days. And I wanted to give you an update because we're not really sure how much the wallet was staking. So I wanted to double check it and just see what kind of progress we've made and let you know so you can know what to expect. So if you remember, we installed the wallet for Reddcoin here, and I had put 7,500 coins in there. And so then when I hovered over this little green dot here, it told me before that it was expected to earn a reward once every 708 days, is what it said 10 days ago. So now, when I hover over it, obviously it says earn a reward every 48 days. So that's pretty good. It went down quick, probably for the first 3 or 4 days. But now here lately, in the past day or two, it's been going down by about maybe 1 or 2 or 3. So every day that number goes down. Probably tomorrow it's going to be around 45 is what I'm guessing. So just to give you an idea, when you're thinking about doing this, you have to consider how much you have in here, and then you also have to consider how long that your coins have been sitting in there. Mine have only been sitting in there 10 days, so I can't complain. If we just take a quick look at what the price has done, these are some of the coins that I have here. Let's see, I bought this back on the 22nd of December, Reddcoin, and I got them at 0.0087989. So I didn't spend very much on it, $65. But if we look at the price today, we are at 0.01, almost 0.02, and it's actually down. I think it was at 0.02. But there are a lot of people saying that this thing is just going to go to the moon. It's going to go up, 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 up. So if we look at even the past month or so, you can kind of see the trend here of what it's been doing. It's peaked out here, came down a little bit, peaked out again, came down a little bit. So who knows? But it looks promising. And even more than looking at these charts here, in order to tell the value or help you tell the value of the coin, would be to track the project itself. And a great way to do that is if you don't have a Twitter account. I know a lot of people that watch these are new. I'm fairly new to cryptocurrency myself, but I catch on really quick. And having a Twitter account and Facebook, and then following these people on here, because they make a lot of announcements, they tell you what's going on, and you can learn a lot just from keeping up with it. Now, I have noticed that the Reddcoin community is very vocal. they like to say lots of things, and the people that comment too. It's a very strong crowd, and that's great. A lot of good support. A lot of interesting news and things going on here on Twitter, so you can kind of catch up on that. And believe me, if something like this were to happen, Facebook perhaps with Reddcoin, wow. I mean, that would be big. That would be big. So anyway, this was just a quick update to my first Reddcoin video. I wanted to get it out there so you guys have something to compare it to now. You can look at the first one and then have a follow-up one to go with it. So if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. This is a new channel, and I'm going to keep doing these. I'm going to share all the information that I get on new altcoins, ICOs, lending platforms, exchanges, wallets, tips and tricks. Try to help you get through this whole mess, because there's a lot to learn. There's a lot to learn, and it just can be very overwhelming, especially if you're new into this. And anything I can do to help, if you want to leave a comment or a question for me, I'd be happy to do that. So I hope you all have a great rest of the Sunday, and I'll see you in the next video.